LLC account, a US LLC account for less than $80. And then where you are going to be going is northwestregisteredagent.com. You go to this website. I'm going to make this video very brief. Now, this is the website in question, Northwest Registered Agent. Now, before we even continue, I want to point out something very, very clear. Now, an LLC account is not just meant for KDP business accounts only. An LLC account gives you the platform to reach out to clients globally. It gives you that branding you need. Now, there are certain platforms that you would normally not have access to, that you wouldn't be able to use. But when you have an LLC account, it comes to you at a breeze. So when we say get an LLC account, it's not just because of KDP alone, so that your books will not be getting blocked or your account will not be getting terminated. If you do the wrong thing, even with an LLC account, your books will get blocked, your account will get terminated. So an LLC, when we say get an LLC account, and everyone into digital marketing should actually have an LLC account, is so important. For one, an LLC account give you access to platforms like PayPal, Business PayPal, to Stripe, to Etsy platform, to Audible, to Ingramspark, to Barnes and Nobles. All the publishing, once you have an LLC account, all the publishing platforms becomes easier to access. Most of the payment platform becomes easier to access. So I just want you to know that. Now, the LLC accounts we are going to be creating, a US LLC, you will be able to get one for yourself for less than $80. Yes, less than $80. If you go to check online to platforms like LegalZoom, platforms like Go Nomads, you see you are being charged 300, 500, and in some platforms even 1,000 dollars. So this video is coming at the very right time, where you learn how to get yours for less than $80. So what you do is, first, if you don't have an account, you create an account with them. I will advise that you just browse through the website. Just browse through the website to see what is obtainable. And these are the locations where you can create an LLC account. And you should know that for each of these locations, the price differs. What do I mean? If we go to, let's say Washington, D.C., we open it, then we open a place like say Kentucky, then say Colorado. Now, for Washington D.C., for Colorado, they all differs what you pay to the states. What you pay to the state. I don't really want this video to be long. I just want you to browse through. Okay, let me just demonstrate it so you see. So if we go on here now, let me log in to my account. And I sign in. Okay, you are going to get to this place. Once you get here, you are going to see something like add my business. You click on what? See add my business. First, you see here, please let me see add a business to my account. The moment you have created your account, you see add a business to my account, you click on it. So it will not take you to all these various locations. Please, the prices differ. Like take for instance now, because I've opened and created LLC account for more than I've created more than 100 LLC accounts for clients. So I know which is the more or most expensive. So I'm just going to go with Kentucky. So you click on Kentucky. It mustn't be Kentucky, please. Even New Mexico is okay. When you are creating an LLC account, there are some things you need to consider. You need to consider taxation, one. You need to consider your state renewal fees. Do you understand? Then you also need to consider your yearly renewal. Those are the key things you need to consider. Each state differs with what it requires from you. Some are more tax friendly than others. Kentucky is cool. So we now click on continue, and then you now see LLC or corporations. LLC corporations. So we are going with what? LLC, and then the entity here. Okay. So we go with LLC, and then we continue. Then you are now going to choose a name for your business. So now, when some persons want to choose a name for their business, they just think that they are going to be using the LLC for maybe publishing alone. I will advise you, please do not put publishing. Say, for instance, my name is, you now say something like uh, Hush Puppy Publishing. Anyone that sees this is going to take it no, yes, this is a publishing firm. Unless you just want it to be a publishing firm, only then should you use this. But if you want to go into other things, say FBA, Etsy, Audible, affiliate marketing, all kinds of business aside maybe um selling physical products in the United States. I don't want to go into all that now. Then you don't need to put publishing so that you can use it for different things. You can just say something like Hush Puppy Creatives. I'm just citing an example. No need to add an LLC to the end. They will not come here and we say LLC, right? Then we click on continue. Then, of course, you are going to add what? You add what? Confirm and add company. So confirm and add company. I'm just citing this as an example, please. So you now come in here. Your company has been added to the account. So we click on continue. Then, have you formed your company before? No, I haven't formed my company with the state yet because you are going to form it in that particular state. So you click on continue. It's not an idea. You are ready to file right now. Then it takes you here. You click on continue. Now you are going to see how the document looks like at the right hand side. Just zoom it. So this is how the document is going to look like. You are going to. So the registered agent, I want you to pay careful attention to this section. So we have here, you are going to use a registered agent, right? So you put in here, add professional registered agents. Adding a professional registered agent using their platform, Northwest registered agents, they are going to give you, you are going to be using their address. And this is the address they have in this particular location in Kentucky, Richmond, Kentucky, for all the business transactions you are going to be doing online. Because oftentimes you are opening any account, they are going to ask for your um, address, and so you can now be able to use this particular one because you are using their registered agent service. I hope you understand. So you click on next. So you click on next, and then you want to protect your privacy because you don't want to use your own address. You click on this. So you are using the address. You click on next again. Then You are hiring them to file, so you click on this and then continue. Cool. So you now come down and click on continue. Now they are going to review what you have submitted to them. So is it manager managed or member managed? Is member managed. You are the one managing your own. You are not giving it out for someone to manage for you. So you click on continue. So here you now add the member. Do you understand? You now add the member. Since it's member managed, you are going to add the member. So you come here, you click on it, you add new contacts. So this is where you now add your information. Just going to add the dummy information here. So I'll add this. So what you do, you add your email, you add your phone number, and then the address. If you are going to be creating an LLC for clients, so this is how you fill it. You add the client's address and phone number, contact details, and everything. Then make sure it's on primary. Then you save contacts. So this is what Daniel Ogbefu. Let me just, so that I don't get it. Let me just put here hush. Then Poppy. Okay, cool. Because I don't want to pay for this particular LSC. I don't want to create it. I'm using it as a demonstration. Then you save contacts. Great. So what you now do, member, we have saved that as member. So you now come on here. Let's look for it. This is it here. So this is your address. You don't want to use your address. You want to use their own address. So you click on this because you don't want your own to be public. So we have your name. You are using their address and all. Then you now click on continue. I don't want to save this. So now this question is often asked depending on the particular state you are registering your business in the United States. Now they are asking you, this entity is a retailer of authorized vapor product as defined in so and so, cigarette and stuff like vapor product. You are not selling physical, you are not selling vapor products. Now, this is something I'm going to address this towards the end of the video. So what you just do here, you say no, right? Then you click continue and then continue. Now they want to check if this particular entity is available. They are going to check it. Please wait while we check availability. It will not take time. So let's just give them time to check. Even before filing the name, you can always go to Google and just search something like Hush Puppy for your business, Hush Puppy Creatives LLC, to see if the business is already online. So we have Hush Puppy Designs. So there is nothing like that, right? There is nothing like that. We have Hush Puppy Media. So there's nothing like Hush Puppy Creative. So it is available. So we click on what? Continue. So this is it. They are going to give you another chance to cross-check your information. Now, if it looks good, you click on looks good. If you need to make changes, you click on make changes, but looks good. So we click on looks good. Now, here is they're telling you it's going to take about 1 business day. Some take 7 business days. So business day is Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday not included, right? Okay. So we don't want that. We don't want to upgrade. So no thanks. So here, do you want a phone number, 90 days free trial, website, LSC, all that? Just put no to this. Now, this is very, very important. This is very, very important. Now, EIN file, we want this free. Let's just click on. You see, all these are services that they offer that you are going to need for your online business. If you intend operating business in the US, phone number is very, very important. And another thing that is also very, very important is your EIN. Now, if you are creating an EIN for, if you're a non-US citizen, you are going to pay $200. This is really, really expensive. Now, if you are a US citizen, then $50 because you already have your tax ID. Now, non-US citizen, non-US citizen like us, you are in Nigeria or outside the US, you are not a US citizen, you are not a US legal entity, then you are going to pay $200. Now, when you add $200 to the money you are going to pay, that's going to like $300. Please do not click on this. If you open your account, as I'm going to show you, just reach out to me. And for this EIN, we are going to get it done for you for super, super affordable pricing. So we are going to continue now. Just continue. And you see, everything is going to cost you about $79. Just $79, and you have an LLC in the US. Now, and you can use your payment, you can use Gray, you can use cheaper cash, you can use GPay, any of them, they are going to work. Just link it up with your PayPal, you use it direct and you pay. Now, if you try searching for a coupon code online, you are not going to see at the moment. So that's it, just $79. Then we are EIN and running it for you. You reach out to me and we are going to get it done for us. About 50% of what you would normally pay, let's say about $100 or so, depend. Just reach out. If you watch this video, I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel so that everyone, not just my students, will be able to get access to this and create an LLC for themselves in the United States. So this is it for US LLC. I'm going to also be doing a video for UK, for that of opening a business in the UK, opening a business also in Canada. For Canada, they don't call it LLC, they call it corporations. So, and in some other countries as well, so that everyone, all those persons having challenges with running business on some particular platforms, Amazon included and others, PayPal issues and a Stripe issue, receiving payments and all that, and really, really cashing on affiliate marketing platforms like Commission Junction, Share Excel, and Flexoffers. You will not be having those problems anymore. So that's it for the video. Thank you and God bless. I will see you in another tutorial.